Hello YouTube, this will be another update on my H.E.D.S. family of gadgets, and actually you don't see anything particularly new here, but I wanted to show you something anyway before I ship the items out. And this is my altimeter, this is for my friend Adam, and this is for Peter, and he has something not obvious from the outside, but if I put it up here, you see the light come on and the charging LED, and this has actually wireless charging. So I mean, nothing easier, even easier than the magnetic plugs that I used to use. So, and I like it. I did order some more of the modules for the wireless charging, and I will put them in the clock as well. The clock is not finished yet. Still have to design the 3D printed case and print it in white, transparent, so the light sensor will not be affected, because right now it is affected. It shows a lower value and the display is obviously dimmer than the other ones. So this is that with the wireless charging, and I did finally, after I think 3 months, receive the NRF24 wireless transceivers, which I will be using with my two-way remote. This will be the sender, this will be the other way, the other part, the receiver, but it's two-way anyway. So I have to finish now. I can finish him up because I was waiting for the module all this time. So this is next on my list to finish up. And as I said, it's two-way. It can be used as a car remote, remote start, car remote, yes, remote start. And the receiver actually has a few other functions. It is also CAN bus enabled, so you could technically transmit any CAN bus data back to your receiver. It has accelerometer chip and a temperature sensor, so you could detect any impact on your car and let you know on the transmitter. Yes, on the transmitter, on the key fob, I should call it. So, and this will be able to be used as a CAN bus node to add CAN bus capability to your vehicle, be it a bike, boat or car, or add additional sensors. I showed it a few times before, like in my car. I do not have oil temperature and oil pressure, so this is the oil temperature sensor. I will add these and connect it to this board, and connect this board parallel to my CAN bus gauges, and it will then take the data from the sensor, convert it to a PID, and then send it over CAN bus to the gauge without having to change anything on the gauge. So that's that, and this is my the smaller version of the color CAN gauge. Right now it's called, I think, color CAN gauge mini. So yes, mini. Yeah, I'm not sure. I think I called it already. I called this one like that. I don't have it here right now, but this is the one. This was actually called the mini, so I have to come up with another name for that, but that doesn't matter. Nobody cares. So as I also said before, I ordered carbon fiber panels. They never arrived, so I have to order them again. And all these items will get optional carbon fiber fronts. So this is the module. This one goes up to 5 kilometers, approximately 3 miles. So it has plenty of range. And yes, this is it. This is my H.E.D.S.Trek, second version of the H.E.D.S.Trek practically. And for this one I'm waiting for the displays. This one will use a 2-inch display with 320 by 240 pixels The smaller ones are 1.3 inch with 240 by 240 pixels. So that's that. And on the altimeters, mine is with meters and centigrade, Celsius as temperature. This one has altimeter in feet and temperature in Fahrenheit, and this one has altimeter in feet but temperature in Celsius. So I can do any variation that you might need. This was practically it for today. I'm keeping it short, plus I can't think of anything else to say right now, and I need to get these things up and to the post office so I can ship them out. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I also want to thank you for supporting me, be it on Patreon, Banggood affiliate links, or PayPal donations. I greatly appreciate it, and 99% of that money goes back into parts because I need always new parts. So that was that. Thanks for watching and take care, everybody.